Don't judge others, don't laugh at others' failure, and don't backstab. Scene 1. Don't judge others.
It's obvious. Be the winner. Why are you shouting?
The King's Talent Show. They are having a running race and we are discussing who will win.
Of course, I will win.
You will not win.
Hi, 𝐂𝐚𝐥𝐥. You are carrying too much of extra baggage, aren't you?
Yeah, you need to lose some weight before you can even start the race. Ha 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 ha.
Look at this. Here, the children are mocking their friends based on their physical appearance. Imagine how they feel if someone made fun of you. We should avoid teasing others based on their height, weight, color, or any other physical characteristics. Scene 2. Don't laugh at others' failures.
You are always roaming around, and now you have fallen down, Dora. Ha 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 ha.
Stop running, help me please.
Okay, I'll help you. But first, let me take a peek. I'll get more likes on social media. Then I'll help you. Come, Motu will take a peek.
Look at this. A friend has fallen down and instead of helping them up, their friends are laughing and taking pictures. This will be really embarrassing and hurtful for the person who has said, let's think how we will feel if we were in their shoes. Scene 3. Don't backstab.
Hi friends. Hi Dora. Today we have an exam. You both are playing. Are you ready for the exam? We are always ready. Go on then. Okay, it's time up. I'm heading to the exam hall. Come faster. Bye. Bye.
See the attitude she's got. She thinks she's a teacher. She's coming and asking us like she's the only topper in the world.
Look at this. Here, the children are talking badly about their own classmates behind her back. This is an example of backstabbing. Instead, let's think about building each other's up, not tearing each other's down. Conclusion. These are some negative things will hurt others. Instead of teasing and mocking others, let's make the world that is filled with kindness and joy. Thank you.